Welcome to today's Java Masterclass, where we are cracking open the language's digital toolbox to explore operators, the essential symbols that transform static variables from simple storage units into dynamic, functional pieces of software. In programming, an operator is a symbol that commands the Java compiler to perform a specific manipulation on data inputs known as operands, and Java carefully categorizes these tools based on their functionality and the number of operands they require. We begin with arithmetic operators, the fundamental calculation tools comprising addition, plus, subtraction, dash, multiplication, asterisk, and division, where dividing two integers performs truncated integer division unless a floating point number is used, alongside the crucial modulus operator, %, which discards the quotient to return only the remainder of a division, a trick developers frequently rely on to determine if numbers are even or odd. Next, we encounter unary operators like the increment, plus plus, and decrement, dash dash, tools that modify a single operand by exactly one, and their placement is vital, as prefix notation, plus plus x, alters the value before evaluating the statement, whereas postfix notation, x plus plus, evaluates the current statement first and then increments the variable in the background. These feed into assignment operators, anchored by the single equals sign, happy smiley, which copies data from right to left, and its compound counterparts like plus is equal to, and asterisk is equal to that seamlessly blend an arithmetic operation with a value update to keep your code concise. When your software needs to make critical runtime decisions, it relies on relational operators such as greater than, less than, and the mandatory double equals sign, is equal to for strict identity comparison, not to be confused with single assignment, which evaluate conditions down to an absolute Boolean true or false. To link these conditions together into complex decision trees, Java introduces logical operators, the short-circuiting double ampersand, and, for, and, which halts evaluation the moment a condition fails, the double pipes, vertical bar, for, or, which passes as soon as any condition succeeds, and the unary exclamation point, which acts as a logical inverter. Finally, for low-level system optimization, graphics processing, or cryptography, Java provides bitwise operators like AND, vertical bar, and bit-shifting arrows to manipulate individual binary zeros and ones directly at the hardware level. To ensure all these moving parts work in harmony, Java enforces a strict system of operator precedence, similar to mathematical order of operations, meaning that understanding how these symbols prioritize, or using parentheses to manually override that hierarchy, is the ultimate key to writing predictable, high-performance applications.